Hi and welcome to another Blender modifier video. This time we are going to do the skin modifier. So really cool. All right, so we got our window here. What we're going to do is Shift A, and we're going to create a single, what's it called? Mesh, single vertices, add single vertices. Then go to edit mode. Make sure we're in edit mode, vertice mode, because otherwise you can't really extrude. Then go to 1. I think this is the front side. So then E up. We're going to create like a simple thing, a tree, and I think I'll do like maybe 1 or 2 other examples. All right, now let's do some branching here. Honestly, we're just kind of extruding out. All right, this looks pretty good. We're gonna add a few extra things to it, so like loop cuts, but with vertices right here. All right, that's good. All right, not too bad. That looks good. Okay, now what we're gonna do is select A, all of this, and go to the Add Modifier tab right here. And it's fine if you're still in edit mode for this one. And we are gonna do skin, and it'll create skin for us. Cool, right? A few things you should know. This will just make sure the symmetry is good. This is smoothing, so just little points right here, which would honestly be called like the roots. This is where like I think all the geometry is kind of referenced for or calculated against. So we're gonna select all of these ones right here and then mark them as roots, and everything else we can mark them as loose to an extent. Mark loose, and if we want to unloose them, you can do this right here. All right, now smoothing just makes it a little thinner here. Let's say like we got this nice branching, right? Oh, let's go to non-edit mode. I mean non X-ray mode. So smoothing just makes it more, I guess, smooth. Sorry about that. Okay, let's say we want to make some of the branches a little thicker or thinner, like especially this right here. We want to make this thicker. So what we do is we press Control A, and this allows us to make it bigger. As you move the mouse, it'll make it bigger, and then in proportion, it's the middle mouse button to everything. So, all right. Exit out of that, and then we just keep doing this, tying between X-ray mode and if you don't press Control A, like you will be able to like resize this, but it'll just be kind of like in the stretch mode, not in the Control A proportionally making it thicker kind of way. So just remember that. Control A, and you gotta do it each time, unfortunately. Control E, you can add as you go. Control A. So yeah, it's a little bit of what do you call it, experimentation here, but it's not bad. Let's give you another example. Like this, and I think you saw the feature where it said like create creature, so we're gonna try to create a creature. So Shift A, mesh, vertice, add single vent, edit mode 1. So it's gonna be like this. try to give it like a human or I guess animal kind of structure. Alright, and then tab, object mode or edit mode, and add the skin modifier. Right, and so because we kind of gave it like a shape that's either human or creature, we can create a amateur, create a armature out of it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think tab post mode now. So now it's kind of a lot of work is done for us here. So I can select the spine, the neck, the head, the little arms. Yeah, it'll relieve us of a lot of what's it called? Like this is kind of like the root bone right here. But no, this is a really like awesome way to let's say we create our dog. Let's say we create like a dog model, and we can make this to create an armature really fast rather than like make the bones one by one. So yeah, that's a different way to go about things, but you can create trees, animals, humans. You just gotta experiment with a skin modifier like that. And yeah, I hope this video helped you, and until next time.